Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Jaipur location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a vacancy for executive PPC position from Miracle Group of Companies. It is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. They are offering a salary for this position is 1,60,000 to 1,85,000 rupees per year. And the candidate should have 1 to 2 years of experience for this position and good knowledge of MS Office and should have good mail writing skills. So these are the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can contact to this number, that is 8875003037. Next, there is a vacancy for process coordinator position from Charvi Apparels located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. And you should be respond to all the queries of the customers, post sale feedback, reply via call, message and mail to prepare all the required database. So these are the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 83063 33635. Next, there is a vacancy for IT assistant position from Business Now Private Limited located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Coming to company description, providing cloud-based compliance tools that helps professional or organizations to manage their various office task activities and compliances. So coming to job description, the candidate should have knowledge on core PHP, jQuery, CSS, HTML, Python. So you need to have knowledge on all these programming languages. It's a full-time job. Freshers can also apply for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9929822200. Next, there is a vacancy for chart support executive position from Jucol Private Limited located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. They are offering a salary for this position is 17,000 rupees per month. And coming to responsibilities, the primary responsibilities of a chart or email support executive would be should be respond on charts or emails to provide resolution to the query and obtain details of the complaints, keep records of the customer interactions and transactions. And coming to skills, customer support, chart support, email process, inbound chat process, BPO, communication skills. So these are the key skills required for this position. Please check with the all with the responsibilities and the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates, to know more information about this position, we can contact with the given phone number, that is 6377719798. Next, there is a job vacancy for overseas education counselor from Meridian Overseas Education Consultants Private Limited located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. For this qualification will be bachelor's degree or above qualification, and should have strong knowledge of destination and international education system, 2 to 5 years of experience in overseas counseling is needed, ability to multitask under pressure and meet deadlines, visible orientation towards having high quality service as integral part of work ethics, computer skills including Word, Excel is needed, communication skills are needed, strong problem resolution skills are needed for this position. You please check with the requirements and as well as with the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, to approach them for this position, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 6376874585. Next, Miracle Group of Companies is hiring for the position of office coordinator located in Jaipur. They are offering a salary for this position is 1,80,000 to 2,20,000 rupees per year. You should be having knowledge of MS Office in Excel, PPT and Outlook. Control and maintain the company audits, prepare and submit monthly management reports related to company system and compliance and incidents. Train all company personnel in the documented company policies. So you please check with the responsibilities and the skills needed for this position provided here, and interested candidates you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8875003037. Next, there is a job vacancy for Ocean Freight Operations Executive position. It is from G Express Solutions India Private Limited, located in Jaipur. So please check with the responsibilities provided here. And coming to requirements, excellent negotiations and communication skills are needed. Excellent problem solving and customer handling skills are needed for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8875362362. Next, Juniors Brands Private Limited is hiring for the position of event organizer. They are offering a salary for this position is 11,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. Yeah, they have provided here all the responsibilities you need to follow. And please check with the information provided here. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9160622222. Next, Ultrabot Innovations is hiring for the position of home loan executive. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. For this position, the education qualification will be bachelor's degree in finance or similar field. 3 years of experience is needed as a loan officer. Solid understanding of local, state and federal loan regulations. In-depth knowledge of the computers and banking service. Outstanding interpersonal and communication skills. Customer service oriented with exceptional sales skills. So these are the skills and educational qualification details provided here. You please go through it once, and you can also check with the responsibilities provided here. And interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7023003549. Next, Affinity Innovator LLP is hiring for the position of receptionist or administration assistant position. So it is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. Coming to work responsibilities, work for front desk responsibilities, attending calling of the customers. So these are the responsibilities needed for this position. Please check with the information provided here, and if you want more detailed information about this position, you need to contact with the given phone number, that is 9829332644. Next, there is a vacancy for receptionist or administration assistant from RMR group of companies located in Jaipur. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 rupees per month. They have provided here all the responsibilities and the skills needed for this position. Please check with the skills provided here, and if any interested candidates to know more information related to this position, you can contact to the given phone number, that is 6377875556. Next, there is a vacancy for customer service executive position from G Express Solutions India Private Limited, located in Jaipur. Interested candidates, you please check with the responsibilities provided here and the skills also. Please go through the information provided here, and for further details you can contact to the given phone number, that is 8875362362. Next, there is a vacancy for receptionist or administration assistant position from Woodjet Kitchen, located in Jaipur. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. They are looking for a female receptionist with good communication skills and interpersonal skills, and the candidate should be well versed with computer working and shall be good featured person. So these are the qualities they are asking for the candidates for this position. So interested candidates, for detailed information about this position, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8562007605. Next, digital leader is hiring for the position of front desk executive. They are offering a salary for this position is 9,000 to 23,000 rupees per month. They are looking for a well experienced receptionist for their organization, and the candidate will be responsible for managing the front desk and clients visiting the office. So these are the responsibilities needed for this position. Diary management and management of meeting rooms, possibly handling event coordination both internally and externally, handling queries and complaints via phone, email, and general correspondence, greeting all visitors, transferring calls as necessary, possibly managing office supplies, maintaining office services, taking and ensuring messages are passed to the appropriate staff member on a timely basis. So these are the responsibilities you need to follow for this position. Interested candidates to approach them. This is the phone number provided. The contact number is 9982434999. Next, Raj India Education is hiring for the position of a female personal secretary. It is located in Jaipur. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. So the person should be good look. Salary pack is no issue, and it's a freshers can also apply for this position. You can walk in to the given phone number. You can walk into their company. They have provided here the contact number. You can approach them with their phone number, that is 9549478674. Next, from the same company, it is hiring for female receptionist position. So it is located in Jaipur location. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. They are hiring urgently for female receptionist. So for detailed information about this position, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9549478674. Next, there is a vacancy for executive assistant position from Impressive Star Softwares Private Limited. It is located in Jaipur. They are offering a salary for this position is 2 lakhs to 2 lakhs 50,000 rupees per year. So you please check with the responsibilities provided here for this position. Interested candidates, for further details you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9829216950. Next, there are vacancies from Malaviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur. They are hiring for the position of a junior assistant. Only one vacancy is available for this position. Salary is not disclosed. Freshers can also apply for this job role. Education qualification will be 12th standard. Last date to apply for this position is 5th March 2021. So you please check with the application procedure provided here, and you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about how to apply for this position and all related information for this job position. Next, Ultrabot Innovations is hiring for the position of home loan executive. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. You please check with the responsibilities provided here. Coming to education qualification details, bachelor's degree in finance or similar field is needed. Minimum 3 years of experience as a loan officer is needed. So here these are the skills required for this position. Please go through it once. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number 7023003549. Next, Malaviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur. They are hiring for the position of project assistant. So for this the position, they are offering a salary is 20,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers can also apply for this position. Education qualification will be MSc. Last date is 20 February 2021 for this position. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link provided here and get more detailed information about this position. If you like the video, please like, share this video to your friends and family members and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.